Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling the max sharing capability so the rest works smoothly. Open System Settings and go straight to Sharing. Enable Screen Sharing or Remote Management and allow users you trust. Once done, note the MAC name or IP address. You'll need it to connect. Now open Finder and choose Go, Connect to Server, or launch your meeting app like FaceTime or Zoom and pick Share Screen. This starts the connection process and ensures permissions are already set for a seamless share. Next, establish the actual connection and pick what to show. If you use Finder, type VNC / plus the max IP or name and sign in with your user credentials. This creates a remote session. If you're in a meeting app, choose whether to share your entire screen, a window, or a single application. Make that choice based on privacy and clarity. Also make sure the app has screen recording permission in System Settings, and that audio and camera selections are set correctly. So to finish, stop sharing from the top menu bar or your meeting app's controls and close any private windows before you disconnect. If the screen appears black to others, make sure screen recording permission is granted and then restart the app or QuickTime. That usually fixes it. If the connection drops or is laggy, check your network, switch to wired Ethernet if possible, or toggle screen sharing off and on in System Settings. This resets the service without restarting the whole Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.